Racing just is started. We have a storm break. Quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside is Magic Key. Don Paulo. Top Notcher comes next. Love You by Heart Instant. Then followed over by My Sweet Swanee. Next on that is My Cup of Tea. Proceeding Bloodline comes next. Devil Rising Miss Pangao. Then followed over by Amazing Success, who's racing second last, while Dugo's Fantasy is the early trailer. And as they swing down the back, we have Don Paulo by about half length. Magic Key in second, 6 lengths away in third comes Instant Love You by Heart alongside fourth. Then comes My Sweet Swanee, My Cup of Tea. Then next on line is Top Notcher. Moving up on the outside, Bloodline. Storm comes next, proceeding Devil Rising. Then next on line is Miss Pangao. Amazing Success racing second last, while Dugo's Fantasy is still racing in 14th. And at the far turn, we have Don Paulo by about 3 lengths. And in second, Magic Key, Love You by Heart finds some opening down on the inside as they swing for home. We have Don Paulo by about 6 lengths. Love You by Heart in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Don Paulo followed by Love You by Heart, My Cup of Tea. And finally, it's Don Paulo, My Cup of Tea, Love You by Heart. Then comes Bloodline, Instant, and Storm for your Super 6.